Hello, I'm Nicola Stubbins and I'm President of the Association of Directors of Social Services Cymru, and we are proud to support World Social Work Day. This year's theme for World Social Work Day is I am because we are. And as a social worker, that very much underpins the principles and values that we have. When I first started out in my career as a social worker, my only aspiration was to be the best social worker that I could be, to actually the work that I do to support and improve the lives and life chances of those that I worked with. As a family of social care professionals and the leadership for social care within Wales, we are absolutely committed to those values of social solidarity and global connectedness. This has been a really difficult year in so many ways. And whilst we've all been socially distanced, we haven't actually been distant from each other. What has kept us apart in many ways has actually glued us together and reaffirmed that joint commitment and that interdependence that we have with each other. So I would like to thank you all for the work that you've done and the commitment that you bring to the work that you do and you'll continue to do. Happy World Social Work Day.